Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a 5-minute daily stretch video. First up, we have neck rolls. Bring your gaze down. We're starting with neck rolls clockwise. Nice and gently rolling our necks up and around. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouths. Go ahead and stop. Rotate the opposite direction. Last couple seconds here. Next up we have arm circles forward. Nice big wide arm circles coming up. 2, 1, here we go. Arm circles forward. Arms come up, forward and down. Inhaling through our nose and out through our mouths. Nice wide circles here. We're going to stop and go the opposite direction. Inhale as your arms come up. Exhale as your arms come down. Last couple of seconds here. Moving forward to torso rotations. Widen out your stance. Arms come out in front of your chest. We rotate right and left. Continue focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Rotate right and left. Last couple seconds here, we're moving forward to a toe touch on our left hand side. Next. In 3, 2, 1. Arms come out to our sides. We're coming down to our left foot. Bring your hands to your left toes and find a stretch in your hamstring of the back of your left leg. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple seconds and we'll be switching legs over to our right side toe touch. Rainbow up. Come on over to your right. Bring your hands to your right toes. And come on down for a hamstring stretch on your right leg. Don't forget to breathe in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Last couple seconds and we're moving on to a left quad stretch next. We'll rainbow back up. Find our balance on our right leg. The left leg comes up. You can use your arms to help you counterbalance yourself. Hold that. Focus on your balance here. Last couple seconds and we'll be switching legs. Here we go. Switch your balance onto your left leg. Bring your right leg up. Coming into a quad stretch for your right leg here. Focus on your balance. Focus on your breath. If you lose your balance, it's okay. Just gently come back to your quad stretch. Last couple seconds, we're moving forward to a sumo squat next. Release your leg, come down to a wide stance, and we're squatting into a sumo position here. This is a nice wide squat, stretching out your hips. Focus on your breathing, in through your nose and out through your mouth. We have last couple seconds here before we move forward to a downward dog. Here we go. Come back up, squat up, and forward fold, and walk your hands out in front of you, coming into a downward dog position here. You can pedal your feet out. Or you can bring them both to touch the heels to the ground. Last couple of seconds here, and we're bringing it down to our butterfly stretch. Gently bring your knees down to the ground. We sit on our butts, and we bring our feet together, coming into a butterfly stretch. You can grab your ankles with your hands, and push your legs down with your elbows, like this. chests up. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Great job, guys. You completed today's little stretch. I hope you liked today's video. If you learned something new, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.